Magandang araw mga ka-good news. Naku, merong napakalaking balita dito. Ang India sasali na sa gyera kontra Iran, Hamas at Houthis. Umaatake na naman kasi ang Yemen rebels sa Red Sea at sa pagkakataon na ito ang inatake ay isang Indian merchant ship, isang pangnegosyong barko ng India ang inatake nitong Iran backup militia, ang tinatawag na Houthi rebels ng Red Sea. Atin muna pakinggan ang balitang ito.
जिन्होंने भी इस हमले को अंजाम दिया है उन्हें हम सागर तल से भी ढूंढ निकालेंगे।
Naku, galit na galit ang Defense Minister ng India. Alam nila kung sino ang gumawa nito. Kaya merong kagad silang ginawang aksyon para pagbayarin ang mga salarin. Sabi nila, kahit sa ilalim pa ng dagat magtago sa seabed, ay susuyurin nila, hahanapin nila at kaagad nag-deploy sila ng 3 warship sa Indian Ocean.
Now let's turn our attention to the high seas where India is coming under attack. We told you about this yesterday. A ship bound for India was hit by drones. A ship called the MV Chem Pluto. The attack was followed by a blame game. The US is blaming Iran for it. Iran is denying it, and India is not taking any chances. New Delhi has made up its mind. It will.
Nako, itong Iran talaga. Napakasinungaling. Klarong-klaro na sa kanila yan na mga rebel soldiers ang Houthi. Supported by Iran. Nagsusweldo dyan ang Iran sa mga sundalong yan. At ngayon inaatake nila kung sino man ang kakampi sa Israel kontra Hamas. Alam naman natin ang India ay kumakampiyan sa Israel. Kaya binanatan kaagad nila. Ngayon, ang masama nito, kapag magdeklara tayo, Pilipinas, na kakampi tayo ng Israel, ay ganun din. Baka tirahin din nila itong Pacific Ocean na sakop ng Pilipinas, ang mga barko natin. Pero hindi naman gaanong napakaraming tayong barko na merchant ship. Pero wala tayong magagawa kung ganyan ang kanilang gagawin kasi malawak na ang network nitong Houthis at iba pang rebel group backed up by Iran.
Defend the Indian Ocean and punish those who are behind the attack. This is what India's defense minister said.
अरब सागर में हाल में हुए यमवी चैम प्लूटो पर ड्रोन हमले और कुछ पहले लाल सागर में यमवी साईं बाबा पर हुए हमले को भारत सरकार ने बहुत ही गंभीरता पूर्वक लिया है। भारतीय नौसेना ने समुद्र की निगरानी बढ़ा दी है। जिन्होंने भी इस हमले को अंजाम दिया है उन्हें हम सागर तल से भी ढूंढ निकालेंगे और उनके खिलाफ कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। मैं यह आपको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ।
Okay, ito'y isang war escalation. Bali, contagious na ang gera. Pumupunta na sa Arabian Sea, sa Indian Ocean. Ang Indian Ocean ay dumadaan din dyan ang mga cargo ship ng Saudi Arabia. Kaya minsan tinatawag yan na Arabian Ocean or Indian Ocean. Ngayon ang Saudi Arabia ay yan ay kaibigan ng US at ang nagdepend o nagdepensa sa Saudi Arabia against sa mga enemy nito sa Middle East ay ang Amerika. Kaya dito, susunod siguro dito ay babanatan na naman ng Houthis ng Iran ang Saudi Arabia merchant ship na dumadaan dito sa Indian Ocean. Kaya napakalaging gulo na ito. Halos kalahati na sa mundo ay sangkot sa gyera dahil diyan sa Israel-Hamas-Iran conflict.
It's a strong declaration of intent and it is being backed by action. India has deployed a 3rd warship to the region, the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea. The INS Kochi and the INS Kolkata were already there patrolling the waters. Now they've been joined by the INS Mormugao.
Yan ang maganda sa India kasi kilos kaagad. Pinakita nila na talagang superpower sila. Noong unang panahon, sa kapanahonan pa ng itong mga colonization, ang India ay isa sa mga superpower. Dito sa Asia, ang China, Japan, pero dyan sa kanilang dyan na continent, ang India ay isa sa mga powerful dyan na nation. Kaya ito, kapag kumilos tong India, malaking gulo talaga ito kasi isa sa mga powerful nation ito.
It's a Visakhapatnam class guided missile destroyer. It's quite new, commissioned barely a year ago. The INS Mormugao brings with it some serious firepower. Earlier this year, it successfully test-fired an advanced variant of the BrahMos missile. The Navy called the ship a potent example of India's firepower. And now this firepower will be turned towards aggressors in the Arabian Sea, and this could be just the first step.
Grabe talaga itong kagamitan ngayon ng Navy ng India. Makabagong teknolohiya. At alam nyo ba na ang India ang isa sa nag-support ngayon sa ating modernization ng AFP? Lalo na yung narinig nyo na BrahMos missiles, yun ay made from India. Kaya delikado rin tayo dito kasi declaration of war, ang sinabi ng India ay nagdeklara na sila ng giyera against Houthi rebels, against the Hamas, against Iran. Kaya malaking gulo ito.
We have now decided to bolster the numbers. So while two ships, two major platforms are there already in the Gulf of Aden to Gulf of Oman, in the central to northern Arabian Sea, we got 2 more units deployed. We are going to augment that further, and by robust action, I mean we are going to board and search all suspicious vessels.
That was India's Chief of Naval Staff. He says India will now board and search suspicious vessels. India will also deploy additional warships in the days to come. The first objective is deterrence. Because look at where the ship bound for India was attacked on Saturday. The MV Chem Pluto. It was attacked near India's borders, about 220 nautical miles off the Indian city of Porbandar in Gujarat. That's technically out of Indian territory. A country's exclusive economic zone ends at 200 nautical miles. This attack was at 220, so not Indian territory strictly speaking, and yet too close to be ignored.
Nako, napakalapit lang pala talaga sa India ang atake na ito ng Houthi. Kaya declaration of war talaga yan ng Houthi to India. Ang India naman nag-response kaagad ng malakas na responde. Mantakin nyo, 3 warship ang pinadala kaagad sa Indian Ocean. Sabi nila, gagalugarin nila kahit doon sa ilalim ng dagat, sa seabed, kahit magtago pa sa buhangin, ay gagalugarin, i-detect nila yan. Kung merong mga submarino na ginamit ang Houthis para magpalipad ng mga drones. Kasi ang ipagtaka mo dyan, bakit biglang susulpot ang drone kung saan manggaling, biglang susulpot yan sa Indian Ocean. Ang drone, alam naman natin na limited lang ang distance na matravel niyan. Kaya meron talagang sinasakyan ang mga Houthis, pwedeng mga fishing boat, mga fishing vessel, or pwedeng meron silang submarino na aahon lang para magpalipad ng mga drones para pasabugin itong mga merchant ship na kakampi ng Israel.
India doesn't want hostile forces to get any ideas, hence the forward deployment, and that's the first reason for pressing warships into action. The second reason is this: India wants to lend support to help other nations facing attacks.
Our effort is also to be the first responder and also work with all our friendly foreign countries to ensure that there is common understanding, coordination, and trust that we will work with them as a preferred security partner.
India is hoping to become a preferred security partner for its allies. It wants to take a leadership role in the Indian Ocean, be seen as a dependable ally who can keep merchant ships safe. Now that's an ambitious goal, but India is not new to this. India has been fighting piracy on the high seas for years. This is what the naval chief said, that India has sent warships to both the Red Sea and the Guinea coast of Africa. Indian forces have conducted anti-piracy drills. They have repelled dozens of pirate attacks over the years, so the upgraded role of Arabian Sea Guardian is just a matter of course. With the help of its partners, India may be able to restore peace and order in the Red Sea.
Okay, itong India pala ay tinagurian na guardian of the Arabian Sea, guardian of the Red Sea, guardian din ng Indian Ocean against pirates. Noon pa man daw ay magaling na sa pagbabantay ng karagatan diyan sa high seas na tinatawag na Indian Ocean ang Indian Navy. Kaya kung ito may escalation of war, sana pagdasal natin na hindi ito aabot sa Pilipinas at sana ay hindi darating sa atin ang escalation ng war na ito na ginagawa ng Houthi groups, mga rebelding sundalo na back up by Iran sa Yemen. Okay, so pagdasal lang natin mga ka-good news na sana ay hindi na lalaki pa ang gulo kasi meron din tayong hinaharap na problema natin sa China. Hanggang sa muling episode, subscribe the channel if you like our videos. Maraming salamat!